talking about environment and development, the basic issues. First of all, how environment and development are connected. Environment provides us with everything we need to live and grow, such as clean air, water, mineral, land, forest, and energy. These natural resources support economic activities such as farming, industry, transportation, and construction. Without a healthy environment, countries cannot develop properly. Today, many countries aim to achieve fast economic development. They want a better roads, more factories, modern cities, and even a higher income. However, this progress often comes with a serious challenges because when we build factories, roads, cities, or when we cut down many forests and use large amounts of resources, environment can become polluted and damaged. Let's move to the first issue, which is sustainable development. Sustainable development is the idea of balancing economic growth with the protection of the environment. Many countries rely on industrialization and economic progress. While this improves economies, it often uses large amounts of natural resources and creates pollution.
As a result, problems like climate change, deforestation, water shortage, and loss of biodiversity are increasing. These issues threaten both nature and human life.
Everyone has a role to play in promoting sustainability. Government, businesses, and individuals can help through education, innovation, and cooperation. By adopting sustainable practices, societies can protect the environment, strengthen the economies, and ensure a better quality of life for both present and future generations. So, sustainable development is not just about growing economically, but it is about growing responsibly, so people and nature can grow together. Next, the second issue is environmental degradation. According to the article by Eric Evans of ECO654, environmental degradation happens when human activities damage the natural environment and disturb the balance of ecosystem. This affects the well-being of all living organisms.
Activities such as rapid industrialization, deforestation, and pollution from factories and vehicles can harm the air, water, and soil quality. These actions also contribute to climate change, which may lead to serious consequences such as rising sea levels and floods. For example, as we can see now, Malaysia is currently experiencing heavy floods and tropical storm Senyap.
So, to address this problem, it is important to adopt sustainable practices that balance human needs with environmental protection. This includes responsible resource management, reforestation, recycling, and the use of renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. So, acting responsibly today ensures a healthy environment and a sustainable future for everyone. The last one is resource management. Resource management is the practice of using natural resources such as water, air, minerals, and forests in a careful and efficient way. The goal is to meet the needs of people today while ensuring these resources are still available for future generations. It involves using resources sustainably and protecting the environment from overuse and pollution. One important example is energy. By switching from fossil fuels to renewable sources, we can greatly reduce carbon emission and combat the climate change.
For instance, electric vehicles such as the Proton E-Bus use electricity instead of petrol or diesel. This means they do not produce harmful smoke or gases that pollute the air. By using EVs instead of petrol cars, the air becomes cleaner. When people use resources wisely and protect the environment, it not only ensures the survival of natural ecosystem but also supports the human well-being, economic growth, and a sustainable future.
In conclusion, economic development is deeply connected to the environment, and it is important to understand that the real progress should not harm the planet that supports human life. As countries work to grow their economies and improve the living standards, they may face challenges such as environmental degradation, pollution, and climate change, which can affect for both people and nature. To build a better future, government, businesses, societies, and even individuals must work together to use the resources wisely, reduce pollution, and support the sustainable practices. Effective resource management, such as using renewable energy, protecting forests, and adopting solar and wind power, can help balance the economic progress and environmental protection. By reducing waste and pollution, we can create harmony between economic growth and environmental care. As Native American proverb says, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, but we borrow it from our children.